Another lunch all by myself. Everyone else seems to fit right in. Is this spot okay? Wish I was down there. Wait, I'm not the only one. We need a place to sit together. A bench for anyone who needs a friend.
Just a few more cuts.
Sturdy and ready.
Almost there.
Perfect.
Will anyone actually use it?
I'll take the first step.
Buddy? Bench?
Can anybody sit there?
It's built especially for you. Come sit. Thanks, I'm Barnaby.
Want half my berry sandwich?
They're actually laughing together.
Hey, Maya! There's plenty of room!
I'd love to join you. Look, I drew us all together. No one eats alone anymore.
Including others costs nothing, but means everything.